How to switch opponent in Monopoly Go. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to switch opponent in Monopoly Go. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Monopoly Go application on a device. As you enter to the home screen, you will see there is a game board. So the only way you can switch opponent in Monopoly Go is by landing on the train. So tap on the Go button. Make sure that you land on the train. Now as you land on the train, you will be able to see this type of screen. Now you will see where you can destroy your opponent. For that, tap on the switch opponent option in the bottom and then you can choose from random player or you can also choose from your friends. I am going to choose random player as I have no one against me at the moment. So tap on the revenge option and then tap on the random player option. As you do that, you will be attacking the place of random people on Monopoly Go, and that is how you can switch opponent. So this is how you can switch opponent in Monopoly Go. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel Lock and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.